Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find tokens to snipe. So this has been a popular question by everybody. They are wondering, how do I find contract addresses before they go live? Today I'm gonna quickly show you a free method, and then I'm gonna show you a paid method. So the free method is actually within the sniper bot itself. If you're not already using this Solana sniper bot, it will be pinned in the comments down below, and then the description. Go ahead, click that, come over here, start up the bot. You will be on a page like this, and once you're here, you go ahead and you click the buy button. And then you click the calls tab. And it's gonna bring you to this call page, which is free. It's their call page. This lists all kinds of tokens that have just launched and are launching soon every few days. There's usually a launching soon token like this one, as an example, and the contract address was right there. So if you were paying attention to this channel and you want to take a chance on this, you could have sniped this. So this is an interesting free way to potentially get snipes. And then the paid way, that's even easier, is with the bot itself. So if we go back to the main menu of the bot, if you're a premium user of this bot and you hit sniper, there's a hot snipe section. If you click this, it will show you the top 10 contracts added by our users. So this is what everybody on the bot is sniping. And you can just copy what other people have found and sniped her. If other people start sniping something else, this will update, so you could come in here and you could snipe every single one of these contract addresses. You could set them all up, and then you could check this daily. And if new contract addresses appear, you could add those in. So there you go. That's a free way to get snipes manually. And then here's the paid way, where you can just get potential snipes handed to you. So that's what I've been doing. And I've had some pretty good success in here so far. I've heard them talking about coming out with a top